Hello, David here, and the project for today is investigating a water leak in the passenger footwell of a 2016 Toyota RAV4. See droplets of moisture here, and it's not antifreeze, so I don't think it's a heater core. I think it's water coming from a clogged evaporator drain tube. And you'll find the drain tube up here behind this panel. To remove it, just reach under it, pull away. There's a couple of clips in there. And then this little spade fits right in there. Peel this away, and you'll see the tube. I'll reposition the camera so I could get in there, and I'll also remove this floor mat. Pull the drain end of the tube out from this grommet here. Grommet might come with it, just put the grommet back. I'm going to pull this end out. There's no clamp here, but I'm going to get a drain pan to catch any water. Drain pan didn't fit, so I slid a towel underneath it. Of course, it's fighting me. I'm going to wedge a screwdriver under that. Look at all that water. Good golly. That should solve that problem. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.